An airplane mechanic, AMP.
An aircraft maintenance engineer in AME.
I'm an AMC at Southwest Airlines.
For Alaska Airlines.
Qantas in Australia and Melbourne.
Textron Aviation.
Pratt Whitney.
Virgin Australia. Member Air in Fort Lauderdale.
Air Canada in Montreal.
Public Airways, primarily do structures work. I think the AMC competition is a really great time and I'm having a blast.
Oh, it's amazing. We'd never have anything like this back home.
Oh man, this place is wild. I love this place. There's so much to learn, so many people to talk to.
I absolutely love it. We've been training for probably the last 8 months for this, and it's been hyped up as like, oh, it's our Super Bowl.
This is the one event where it's just us. No pilots, no flight attendants, it's all mechanics.
Yeah, I did the E-Drill event.
The E-Drill Fastener Removal.
5 titanium Hi-Loks, took the bomb sight, sighted it in, took the drill, pop them all out, pull the heads off.
Very intuitive process. I've taken out a lot of fasteners in my day.
These fasteners are hard, so they eat drill bits up.
This is especially doing Hi-Loks. You got to pilot it, and then you always take a chance in damaging the structure.
It takes forever, and you have a lot higher likelihood of damaging the structure behind it all.
And you can mess up very easily. That thing makes it so simple.
With the E-Drill, you really don't have to have a whole lot of skill. It does all the work for you.
You don't realize how easy it is till you use it. Compared to drilling out fasteners the old-fashioned way, it's just 10 times easier, 100 times easier.
It was a lot easier to use than I was expecting it to be. I've drilled out Hi-Loks in the past and rivets and other sorts of fasteners, and this is so easy.
Okay.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Super user-friendly, easy to use.
Makes everything so easy.
It worked so well. I mean, I got 5 done in sub 2 minutes, and that's kind of hard to do with a drill.
It's easy to line up, it's fast.
Cuts our time in half removing Hi-Loks, and that's something that will make the job easy.
It even cleans up after itself.
It keeps your workspace clean. You don't have drill shavings everywhere, hardly any cleanup.
It's a great little thing. It does all the work for you, and the best part, you don't damage the structure.
These things, you have less likelihood of damaging structure underneath it.
It's just super easy, it's safe, it's really good.
It's cool, I really like it a lot.
It's a really cool and innovative tool.
I would definitely like to have access to this.
I would want to use this tool. I'm not just saying that.
Yeah, I mean, it's a cool tool. If you're in aviation maintenance, though, this is definitely something you need.
I'm going to shoot for the team next year for sure.
Hopefully we continue to send a team every year, because this is awesome.
It's a great time. Oh yeah. I'm hoping I can come back again next year.